Hat knows a lot about that. Cat in the Hat knows a lot about that. Cat in the Hat and Ronan. Cat in the Hat and Ronan.
Hello?
Who needs a babysitter when you have Cat in the Hat? I can't remember all the words in the movie. I gotta rewatch it for you. Cat in the Hat knows a lot about that. Is my show still on? Cat in the Hat knows a lot about that with Ronan and Mummy.
Hey. Hey.
I need to go put my towels in. I might have a clean dish rag. Okay. Cat in the Hat knows a lot about that. Yeah. The other day he posted my bank account on Snapchat. That's why I deleted it. Papa calls me and says, "Why is your bank account on Snapchat?" Because I had to take a picture that I sent $700 to Hydro and send it to Hydro to show them that I sent it. Because it would have took them 3 days to get it and they just had to know right away. Well, my phone wasn't working to send an email, so I sent it to Ronan's phone, used Ronan's phone. Within 10 minutes, he took that photo and put it on Snapchat through his phone. Had all my accounts and everything. Yeah, so I'm like, okay, I'm just deleting the whole thing. I don't use it. Are you guys following your Cat in the Hat mother?
I did.
A little saving your rope.
Hi. Good.
It's me, Cat in the Hat. Cat in the Hat knows a lot about that. Haircut day. It's awesome when you're like half naked in your pajamas and you wake up in the morning and you're like washing and yeah. Oh, no. When you go anywhere in public, the whole grocery store, because he's really good in the grocery store now. He just puts all your groceries in the cart for you. And he'll go and get stuff he doesn't even like but knows like we buy it at home and he'll put that in the cart even if we don't need it. But get it? Back up. But he records you going in the pizza store, all the people like strangers, and they all look at me like some people don't understand, right? And some people don't like it. Other people think it's cute. But he's right like this. Well, there'll be a line up with people in the pizza store, and he's like, he's walking by them, gets them like right close. And people are like, and I'm like, sorry. Doctor appointments, records the whole thing. But I read if children with autism record stuff, it means it's their favorite thing. A lot of the time, they'll record things that they want to watch later. So when he goes out in public, because he doesn't get to do it every day, he probably wants to watch it later, right?
Okay.
Record your trampoline and pool. Do you want to go? Oh, never mind, you can't. It's right in. Let's go inside.
Here.
Ooh. I was going to ask him if he wanted to go for a jump, but no. Here. Why don't you go record your toys? Come on. Give mommy some time. Doris, is this yours? Must be mom's. Are you the police? Feels a little bit like it. Are you doing are you a journalist? A reporter? Are you the paparazzi? This TMZ. He works for TMZ, don't do anything. Bring anything. Yeah, you're on the internet.
Oh my god, Ronan, stop.
No, Ron, we don't. Tori doesn't want to be recorded right now, okay? You get used to it, Tori. I swear, at first it's really overwhelming and embarrassing. But you
I
get
want to do it over TikTok. Not again.
honestly, he's made so many different accounts that like nobody's on his. It's not like no one will see it if he does.
Bro, which one's
Like maybe grandma. Grandma watches his videos. But see, I'll tell you later because he's recording. But I did something smart. So he can. That's why I don't know. If they want his, there's a big one with school years. And then maybe if he brings it on. And like shit that brings my iPad with all the thousands of videos he has of me walking around my house. So we got a new one that he just uses on the bus. No recordings on it, anything like it, just whatever he uses, because he's only allowed. Cat and hat knows a lot about that. Cat and Hat knows a lot about that. Cat and Hat and Ronan. Cat and Ronan.
Hello?
Who needs a babysitter when you have cat in the house? I can't remember all the words in the movie. I gotta rewatch it for you.
Hello?
Who needs a babysitter? Cat. I can't remember all the words. I gotta rewatch it for you.
Hey!
Yeah. Papa called me twice. Dad now on Snapchat. Because I had to take pictures of the lost tiger and the tiger show they sent it. Because it wasn't 3 days and everything was no right away. Well, my phone wasn't sent an email, so I said, on his phone. Within 10 minutes, he took that photo and put it on Snapchat on his phone. I all my phone and everything. Yeah, so I like just leave the whole thing.
Hi.
Haircut day. It's awesome to go around the gym and wake up early, go watching. When we go in the grocery store, he's really good at grocery now. He's just really good at grocery store. And then we'll get something to like McDonald's, like we buy it. He'll do that part. You don't need it. But he records his own, it's just for all people, like strangers, they all get it, like some people don't understand, right? And some people don't like, other people think it's cute, but he's right like this, watching everybody going, people in the store, like, walk by, like, right, gloves, like, doctor appointments, reports the whole thing. But anyway, if children want to report stuff, it means they're favorite thing. Recordings and they want to watch it. So, when it's public, this is a good day, let's watch it, right? Record your trip in the pool. Do you want to go on the trip?
Yeah.
Now, if you want to go for a jump. Here. What do you think we're going to do? Come on. Doors. Are you the police?
Yeah.
Are you the paparazzi? He's DMV. He works for the DMV. No, I don't know.